Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a really neat technique that'll help you make your Wix Studio website look truly professional and dynamic. We're going to learn how to add multiple logos to your site using columns, and I'll show you how to spice them up with cool hover effects. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident displaying several brand logos, client badges, or partner icons, and making your site pop, whether you run a portfolio, a business homepage, or even a blog. Let's jump right in. First, we want to add the right element to our Wix Studio editor. What you're looking for is called a repeater. So head over to the Add Element section in your Wix Studio dashboard. The repeater is this powerful tool that lets you create a series of items in uniform style, like rows or columns, so your logos will be lined up neatly without extra effort. If you've never used repeaters before, think of them like cookie cutters. You set up one cookie, and the rest automatically follow the same pattern. Click on Repeater, and Wix will insert a basic shell onto your page. Now, inside that repeater, you're going to add your media. These will be the actual images representing your logos. You can easily do this by clicking to add a media item to each column or row of the repeater. When you click on Media, a default picture might show up, but don't worry. We're going to swap that out in a moment. Here's where the fun begins. You need to change that media image to represent each logo you want to showcase. So click on the image placeholder. Either upload your own logo from your computer if you have company badges, client symbols, or any custom graphic, or pick from Wix's stock images to experiment or for the demo. If you're highlighting sponsors, partner companies, or brands you've worked with, uploading those specific logos will build trust and recognition on your site. Change each media image one by one, taking a moment to double-check how each logo looks in the row or column. It's totally fine if the sizes aren't matching perfectly at first. Wix gives you tools to adjust layouts and image sizing, so take your time here. If you're working with high-res logos, remember to resize for web. Big images can slow your site down. Once your logos are in place, let's bring some motion and excitement to them. A static row of logos is fine, but animations and effects really grab attention and make your site feel modern. Head over to the Effects section. Wix makes this super intuitive, and choose the Hover animation. For this demo, let's select Hover Expand as our animation effect. That way, when a visitor's mouse moves over each logo, it gently enlarges, like the logo is reaching out to greet them. It's a small touch, but it creates a lively, interactive impression. And you're not limited to just this effect. If you want to go further and add creative animations or unique visual flourishes, Wix gives you that flexibility. Try experimenting with different hover effects, shadows, or even transitions between logos. The goal here is to make your logo display not only functional, but memorable and engaging. That's really all there is to it. You've now set up multiple logos and columns using a repeater, custom media uploads, and eye-catching hover animations, all without needing any coding experience. If you ran into any hiccups or if you want to make this setup more advanced, don't hesitate to ask for help in the comments. Before you go, if you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for even more easy web design tutorials, and let me know what kind of Wix features you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.